I'm really good at this because when I'm on the own, because no one's filming me. Yeah, so basically we're gonna be climbing a mountain for fun. I really want to use one. What are you doing right now?
Just doing a little film. She just slam us down onto the ground. Really?
Yo everybody, we're here with Ollie, Dexter, James. This is our crew for the night. How you doing? How you doing, Dexter?
Pretty good.
How you doing, James?
Jay Montana, man. Jay Montana. Jay Montana, man. Oh my God, it's Jay Montana, man. I can't love no bitch cause I'm on money, yeah, I run it out. Sipping too damn much, I'm looking down, I got a stupid gut. Chillin' with the gang up in LA, oh yeah, we stupid up. How you fall in love, man, she don't want you, you a stupid fuck.
Too late.
He's having a shit. Yeah. Don't christen our toilet like that, bro.
Well, someone's got to do it.
How are you feeling?
Hot.
What about you, Dexter?
Tired. Hot.
What about you, Charlie? How are you feeling, Ollie?
Go to the opposite side.
Pain?
Yeah, definitely.
I think everyone does, to be honest. Everyone feels tired. We've been going for basically 5 hours now. Sorry, not
4 hours since we
4
left.
hours, not 5, yeah.
That's pretty cool. What time did we wake up, Ollie?
20 past 8.
What time were we meant to wake up, Ollie?
I was
7.
awake at 7:15.
What was it?
15 minutes to get ready.
About 7.
About 7. We've made the hike up. As you can see, we've got the beautiful view out there.
Beautiful.
Literally so nice. I cannot wait till it gets later because apparently the light pollution, especially up here in the mountains, it's going to be beautiful as long as those clouds clear. But yeah, I can't wait, and I'll probably film some of it later. But I don't really know what to say except we're
Dexter's here.
Yo, what was he doing in the corner? Do that again, Dexter. I don't think he wants to. Oh, who's that?
And
Oh.
James is here.
Now James is here. Hello everybody. It is, what time is it? 18 minutes past 6. We've been walking for probably about like an hour now. And we are going to make our way. Hour and a half maybe, I think. No, because we didn't start dead on 5, so we woke up at 4, ate breakfast at 4:30, grouped at 5, and then we started walking up. But it's going to take us around 8 to 9 hours or more to get up there and back down. So this is the tallest mountain in North Africa. So yeah, I'm going to update you guys in probably another 30 minutes or an hour. We're just stopping for a second to have a drink. I'm going to show you guys the view because it looks sick. We saw all the stars right when we were walking up here. It was pretty sick. I've got some pictures which I'll probably post on Instagram, so link in the description if you want to go see them. That is James and Lewis up there, and then Josh is down there. Hello everybody. Wow, crazy. Oh, first try, that's banging. Look at the view, everyone. Ready? Right, tell me when.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, we're 4,100 meters in the air. We're gonna land this tech deck. You ready? First try, okay?
What's the number?
Yeah. Oh!